I don't know what that is and why that's there, but if anything spilled inside of this box, it's going back. Okay, so I am unboxing 2 items or 3 items. I can't really remember how many items I bought, but I'm unboxing. Well, this is an Amazon unboxing. All right, so let's unbox this one first. It's a little rough. Sorry about that. All right, so we have 2 items in here. Put that down there. Okay, so this one is a quick dry polishing formula. So I tend to do a lot of polish sets. I tend to do my nails once a week, sometimes once every 2 weeks. But one of the things that I needed was a formula to help me dry my polish a lot faster when I'm not using gel polish. So if I'm using regular polish, sometimes the polish will take forever to dry. So to avoid that from ruining my life, I needed a quick dry formula. So that's what this is. And I'll be doing a review for this really soon. All right. 2-piece. This is from Sally Hansen. And this is a top coat. So one of the things that I needed for my nail polish to actually make it last was a really good top coat. So this particular top coat is supposed to have a quick dry formula as well. And it also is supposed to harden your nails to keep the polish from chipping too quickly. So I ended up getting a deal to where I was able to pretty much get a second one for a little bit more expensive than just getting one. So I think one was like $6, and to get both of these it was $8. So that was a great deal. So I just ended up getting the 2-piece set, and yeah, so I'll be also doing a review the same time I'm doing a review on this one. Okay. All right, let's open this one. Oh, they use regular tape on this one. Regular plastic tape. Okay. So one thing I did notice was that there was, where is it at? Here. I don't know what that is and why that's there, but if anything spilled inside of this box, it's going back. So that is a clear oil stain, and I'm hoping that the product didn't actually waste. Okay, so all this packaging all of that for this little thing. I always find that so funny. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm so excited for this one. I really am. Because my next tutorial, this is going to be the star of the show. I don't know why this isn't in a box. This is kind of tacky to me that this is just in plastic. That's really weird. Okay, so let's open this up. The bottle is so beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, so this is another Sally Hansen product. So what this is, it says color therapy, but what this is a strengthening base coat. So one of the things that I've been suffering from is my nails have been cracking and chipping like crazy, and I can't keep long nails. Like my natural nails won't grow long anymore for some strange reason. I think it has a lot to do with all of the gel manicures I've been giving myself over the past like I would say year and a half. Interestingly enough, I didn't even really do that many for my nails who have become so weak. So I don't know what that's about, but I'm really hoping that this base coat can really help my situation, because with these 3 products, this should make my regular nail polish manicures a lot better. And I think I'm also gonna use this even when I'm doing my gel coats as well. So I'll put this down as a base, and then I might do a gel base on top of this one to then go in with my regular gel manicure. But we shall see. I'm not really sure. It's all going to be an experiment process. But I'm going to take you guys along on that journey. So I'm really excited about these 3 products and how it's going to really take my manicure game to the next level. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. I will be releasing a tutorial showcasing these products really soon. And have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.